to record. Since the whatever comes before this at, they are all having different length. So we can't put a single an integer over there, right? We need to search what is the position of this at. That will actually tell us that up to which number of letters we should take from it. So for that, first of all, take left because we are extracting things from left side. Okay, if you want to extract things from right side, you should write right only. Okay. So here you have to first of all mention which column you are using. So you are using email address column. Okay. So first of all, write that email address. Okay. This is the column. Okay. Now what you have to do is comma search is the function that you should use. Okay. So there is that function search. Okay. And within this search, you should write rest of the things like which which thing is giving an idea that up to which letter we should take in this column. What is that symbol, guys?
The at.
At symbol.
At the rate.
Yeah,
At the rate.
within the double quotes, you should mention it. Okay. Then after that, you have to write the rest of the things. That is our column name. You have the function will search at in a particular column. So our column name is the same only, that is email address, right? Yeah. So when you will actually mark it, okay, now let us see what will happen. Okay, now at is also coming because it is counting the position of at also. It is searching for the position of at. We don't need at in it, right? We want to eliminate it. So what we should do is we should put -1 over here because this search set is actually giving us an integer value. And when we will put -1, the place of it is actually deducted from it. Okay, so then you click on the tick mark. Okay, now it is no more there, isn't it? We can let us make one column also so that we can search for the position of it so that it is more clear to you. Okay, here I'm taking this search thing only so that I can understand that what actually it means. Okay. Go to new column. Then write position. Simply, I'm doing it simply to make you understand that what actually it extracts. Okay. Now let us mark this one. It is giving us that position of it. Okay. Up to which letter it was. Like in case of Shannon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is including it also. And when I am deducting -1 from it, that means integer subtraction only, isn't it? It is simply a number you can see over here. And when this particular column is selected, you can see the format of it. It is a whole number, right? So it is simply a number. I am subtracting -1 from it. So the position of it will not be counted over there. When I will press enter over here, it. Okay, now what I'm getting in place of 10, 9 is appearing. Okay, one place is deducted. That means it will not take it. Is it clear to all of you how it is working?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is how you can do things. Okay, you can You can merge the columns. You can split the columns also. Okay, I will show you how. Go to home. Okay, go to transform. There, if you want to merge some columns, like this columns you want to merge. Okay, so just like this is the prefix, first name, last name. If you want to merge, press shift, then choose all of them, go to transform, and there is an option called merge columns. Okay, so they are asking what is the separator that you want. I will choose space as the separator. And if we want to make a new column, we can make a new column out of it, like full name. Okay. Now it is showing us full name, right? And if again we want to split it, choose the column, go to split column, use the delimiter. Here delimiter is space itself. You can put some other things also, like you if you are using custom with you can actually put anything within it, like any symbol or anything like that. It will help you. I'm telling you this thing because it will help you in your second task, like how to split a column. Okay, then click on OK. It will split the column like this. Is it clear to all of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So guys,
Yeah.
I'm going to wind up the session. Okay. So at
Ma'am,
4,
I have a doubt.
yes. What is it?
Section. We can also split by the help of @
At the rate we can split. That is also one, I mean,
Yeah, and then we can delete
correct.
the letter part of the email address.
Yes, that is also possible. There is multiple ways of doing same thing.
Hmm.
That also you can do. Like in this case, na, you can put it to split it. Okay. Like split by delimiter. It is coming. Okay, sometimes it may not come. It's coming as it is. Okay. Now you can click on OK. It got splitted, isn't it? Right? This is one
Yes.
more way of doing it. So in this case, this column is being affected. So if you want a new column, go to add columns and do this function. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you.
So, ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
As if you wanted to copy this column, email address, one.
You want to copy this column. Okay. Duplicate column
Yeah.
is there, na? If you want to
Okay.
duplicate it. But it will appear in the last.
Okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. So guys, I'm going to wind up the session. I hope it is clear to all of you. Any other doubts?
It's clear, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay then. Bye all.
So the record, we could have the record. Thank you too.
Yeah.
For the record,
For the
recording,
recovery. Like
the
if you want
record.
to apply the changes, you should put apply changes. It will reflect in the Power BI desktop. Right now I have closed the Power BI query. If you want to apply the changes, you should click on this apply changes or you should click on close and apply. Then it will be reflected over here. Okay, is it clear? See, I'm doing this apply changes. So whatever I have done in Power BI, Power Query, that will be reflected over here. Okay, some errors are there because I closed it abruptly. It happens. Okay. Because I mean, I have at before closing that, I should mark that close and apply. Then only it will be reflected over here. Once again, I will tell you how. Okay. So I'm going to home, then transform. Oh, it is already separated. Hmm. Okay.
Because we already omitted at the rate,
Yes, yes.
separated it.
Yeah. Oh, I have deleted that column. That's why this issue is coming. I hope it is clear to all of you. Actually, I accidentally have deleted that email address column, and that's why this error is coming. Is it clear, all of you?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay then. Okay, bye. So all of you have a nice day. Bye all.